What's up? It's your boy Bob and Cut, and I'm gonna show y'all how to do this blurry hot taper. You're gonna start out with your clipper closed, set in the ball guideline. Next step, you're gonna open your clipper back up, set in the panel about a 1/2 inch. Go halfway, quarter then close, and fade that panel away. Next step, you're gonna jump to your one guard open. You're gonna set in another panel about a 1/2 inch, about a finger's width. Come behind that with your one guard closed, right up under where you left off with your one guard open. After that, you're going to jump to your half guard. You're going to start with it all the way open, halfway, quarter closed, and you're going to fade this panel in. I cut the hair down to a 1.5 with the one guard open, so my biggest guard I'm going to have to use would be the 1.5. Jump to my 1.5 open, then I'm going to close it, and I'm just going to blend into the top. After I get finished with that, I'm going to go back to my one guard because that's where I left off at. And then I'm going to blend these two panels together. And this is what you'll get. Blurry hot taper. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Real easy steps.